longer just a catchy phrase. It's a reality, and it's what we really need, like I said in the beginning, to have the empathy and the understanding to get our students to respect differences and to try and include everybody, every child. How much of a challenge is it, first and foremost, ma'am, to work in this sphere, to talk about, to make inclusion just not a fancy word, but a reality?
It's definitely challenging, but with challenge always comes excitement. If it is challenging, it has to be exciting. So that's the excitement which we celebrate in Sanskriti. We are really happy to have a diverse population, not in terms of just children with different abilities, but people coming from different backgrounds, to be able to take everybody along with us. That's something which we really celebrate, and we feel really lucky to be an institution that acknowledges diversity, that appreciates that children will be different, and that there are, as I think you said, that the minds are wired differently. That is something which needs to be appreciated all the time. And every child, whatever the ability, whatever the talent, needs to be acknowledged, needs to be given the right recognition, and needs to be celebrated. And that's what we do in our school. Like you said, it's challenging. We need to constantly learn and unlearn. What worked one year doesn't work the other year. What has worked for one child sometimes completely fails with another child. So we are constantly on our toes, and I think that really keeps us moving and healthy in both in our physically and mentally. So my thanks to all those children who keep us the way that we are.
Ma'am, one last question. What is the most challenging thing when we talk about inclusive education? How do you deal with, say, mindset issues?
Yes, that's the most challenging thing, the mindset. Being able to explain to people outside the education field that why it is required, why is it necessary, and why is it necessary for the other children who we call mainstream children to have this diversity with them. Because it's only to be able to explain to the parents. Children learn it all. I've never had a challenge with children. They enjoy it. But to be able to convince parents that look, this is a part of their education.
Absolutely.
This is a part, because education is not just the books and projects and whatever. Education is preparing for life, and life is never same. What you come across in life is never uniform, it's never same, and we have to prepare them for it, and schools are always the preparation ground for our children.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, ma'am. Many congratulations. Mrs. Prakash, if you would just stay, because we are now looking at